Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Botany for All. In our today's video, we will discuss about a recent discovery in the field of life sciences and particularly in the plant sciences, that is the botany. This discovery is associated with the month of June 2021. So the discovery is the first CRISPR-based gene drive development in the plants. Gene drive is a natural process or it is a technology of the genetic engineering which propagates a particular suits of the gene throughout a population. Gene drive is a phenomenon in genetic engineering in which we alter a gene and it also disrupts the allele frequency of the Mendel, that is the 50% allele frequency. Okay, disrupting the natural allele frequency, which was the probability was the 50%. In this phenomenon, that is the gene drive, the allele frequency can be altered in every generation. Okay, the alleles can be passed on to the every generation from the gene that we have altered. So the alteration of the gene can include the adding, deletion, disrupting or modifying that gene particularly. So gene drive basically is used in the genetical modification, and it was earlier common in the insects, nowadays in some viruses also. So gene drive can be achieved by various methods. The most common method was it was based upon the CRISPR-Cas9. CRISPR-Cas9. The CRISPR-Cas9 is also a gene editing tool, which is the most common and most popular these days. This gene editing tool recently in the 2020, in the 2020, the Nobel Prize was awarded upon the discovery of CRISPR-Cas9 system. So it is a very widely used as well as the most popular tool these days for the gene editing. So gene drive, which was basically based upon the CRISPR-Cas9, it was not common in the plants earlier. That is why it is a major discovery that first CRISPR-based gene drive is developed in the plants. And the plant use was the Arabidopsis. It is the model plant in the plant genomics of the plant biotech. Most of the genes and most of the discoveries on the plants are led upon by this plant, that is the Arabidopsis. So again, while working on the Arabidopsis plant, the Zhao lab, the professors there, the University of California, San Diego, they discovered this thing, that is the first CRISPR-based gene drive developed in the plants. So after studying this research paper or whatever be the information that will be available on the internet, I will make a separate video that how this CRISPR-based gene drive is developed in the plants. What exactly is the gene drive that is in the plants using the CRISPR-based technology. So here only I'm just summarizing this thing, that what is CRISPR-Cas9. So this integrated word, the CRISPR-Cas9, represents the two things. CRISPR is a DNA sequence and Cas9 is an enzyme associated with this DNA sequence, that is the CRISPR. In the bacterial genome, bacteria like prokaryotic organism like bacteria and the archaebacteria, in the bacterial genome, there are some specific sequences which are called CRISPR. These CRISPR DNA sequences are the DNA sequences which protect the bacteria from the viral attack. Generally, the viruses which attack the bacteria are called bacteriophages. So they have a genetic material DNA, they penetrate their DNA into the bacteria. So bacteria have an enzyme or a system, that is CRISPR-Cas9, specific DNA sequences and their encoded enzymes or associated enzymes. They breaks down this DNA. So it is a kind of acquired immunity mechanism in the bacteria to prevent them from the viral attack. So these DNA sequences, the CRISPR, these are the DNA sequences you can find easily in the bacteria as well as in those bacteriophages which have previously infected the bacteria. So they are also having the CRISPR sequence. Because this system CRISPR-Cas9 attack the DNA and breaks down this complementary DNA which was attached to the CRISPR sequence. Whatever be the DNA sequence that was attached to the CRISPR sequence, that was degraded by the Cas9 enzyme. So it is a CRISPR associated enzyme. CAS, the CRISPR associated enzyme. So basically Cas9 is a protein, is an enzyme which are associated with the DNA sequence CRISPR, and they are used as an acquired immunity source for the bacteria to prevent them from the viral attack. So after the discovery on CRISPR-Cas9, scientists have discovered that it is a important gene editing tool and it can be used as a gene editing tool in the genetic engineering, mainly on the animals as well as on the plants. So the gene drive, which was basically based upon the CRISPR, was not common earlier in the animals. Nowadays, it is common in the plants by this discovery. That is why it is an important recent discovery in the botany.